Good day! With this visual lesson, we're going to solve random math problem from differential calculus under implicit differentiation. So our problem, find dy over dx by implicit differentiation at the point 3 and 4 when x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. So for the solution for this given problem, so let's copy paste the given equation, which is your x square plus your y square is equal to 25. Then our task now is to find the value of your dy over dx. If there is a given value of a point which has a coordinates of 3 and 4. So both positive. So both your x and y coordinates are positive values. Now, first thing to do is to get the derivatives of this equation. So what will be the derivative of your x squared? So we copy your exponent as your numerical coefficient. Then we subtract 1 to your exponent, so that will be x. So the derivative of x, that will be dx, plus same process with your y. So we copy your exponent there, so that will be 2. We subtract 1 to your exponent, so that will be y. Then what is the derivative of y? So that will be equal to dy is equal to the derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. Now, so if we try to assess your first term here and your second term here are divisible by 2. So we can divide this one, or we can simplify this equation by simply dividing the entire equation by 2. So that will be x dx plus your y dy is equal to 0. So for us to eliminate your dx here, and we're asked to find the value of your dy and dx, so we need to divide the entire equation by your dx. Again, by dx. So that will be x, because dx over dx is equal to 1. So we don't need to put 1 here as your numerical coefficient in your x variable. Plus your y multiplied by dy over dx. So that will be y dy dx is equal to 0. Now, so if we put this y dy over dx to another side of your equation, so that will be equal to negative y dy dx, or simply, if we put this x variable to another side of your equation, so that will be equal to y dy dx is equal to negative x. So from positive value going to another side of your equation, that will be a negative value of x. Now, for us to get the value, and we need to simplify this one, therefore your dy now over dx is equal to negative x over your y. Now, there is a given value of your x and y here. So we just simply substitute this 3 to your x, then your 4 to your y. So therefore, your dy over dx is now equal to negative 3 over 4. So therefore, with the given equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 25, so that will be an equation of a circle. If we're asked to find the value of your dy and dx, so the value of your dy dx with the given values of your x and y coordinates of a point, So that will be negative 3 over 4. So first thing to do again is to get the derivatives of this equation, then simplify and look for the value of your dy and dx in terms of x and y. Then for your final answer, we just simply substitute the given values of your x and y coordinates of a given point. So our final answer now is equal to 3 or negative 3 over 4.